So there's one more thing that we should do before we call this a completed formula. We're going to loop this animation. By default, it's not there, but I think it should always be. That's going to send it from this frame back to the first one, so it will loop. However, 50 frames is often not enough to get us all the way to the back to the beginning. Let's take a look at what it looks like, because you can render just part of this if you want. So if I go from the 5th frame to the end, the last, you may think, well, that's already the last. But now that we've added loop, there's kind of a phantom first keyframe right here. Let me hit render preview, and you'll see it's going all the way back to the beginning. It's one of the reasons why I normally stay on the same side of the Mandelbulb, so that I'm not crashing through it trying to get to the beginning. See how very, very fast that is? I can give it a little more time here by using the back arrow here. And now I can say, well, instead of 50 frames, I'll give it 150 frames. It increases my total, and I do like to go back here and render that same 5 to last preview. And it'll be at a speed more in keeping with the rest of the animation. So before you give me a set of keyframes like this, I would like you to render the whole thing at downscale so that I can see it. If you need to save that animated GIF and then show it to me later, but I would love to render some student-made keyframes for some of our Mandelbulbs. You can just click Animate Keyframe GIF, Animated GIF Save, and then save it someplace where you know where it's going to go. Again, you could make a folder in pictures for this kind of stuff. And of course, this would need a name. 241113 Original Mandelbulb Simple Keyframes, maybe, and put your name on it. So this animated GIF by itself is really not much use to us, except as a preview of what an animation would look like. We need to save that set of keyframes, and to do that, we want this M3A file, the Mandelbulb 3D animation set. When we click on it, it saves all the numbers for making this animation. Again, you want to pick some place, maybe make a folder for this. I'm going to go to my pictures. I've got Mandelbulb animations here, and we'll save this. This is the animation keyframe. So 241113 Original Mandelbulb Keyframes, and your name. And now I can open up that file if you give it to me, and I can do the full rendering. It takes a long time to get a full high resolution render from it.